So if you weren't on my Pinterest masterclass, I have to show you guys this. I know probably quite a few of you were, but just in case. Um, like I was just ragging on how you shouldn't be just pumping out tons of content, but this I think is instructive more than anything because it's more about data gathering and time saving for sure. Big time. So for the Pinterest ads masterclass, I wanted to kind of throw in like a cool surprise bonus and was thinking like what do people want but feel like is always kept a secret from them. And it's always uh, niches. It's always like people always think that there are and there are little known, underground, untapped niches. So I went to ChatGPT and I don't remember the exact prompt, but it was basically um, like, well, you know what? It's actually good to show this because I wanted to bring up the this point anyways about ChatGPT. Okay, here we go. Um, so we go up to the top, maybe. So I said, do thorough research to determine the top 25 little known, highly lucrative sub niches, and in parentheses, tiny segments of a market you can pursue using layered targeting options like gender, age, interest, etc., that have little to no competition and have dirt cheap CPC prices. So what's important to note first though, before I did this prompt, is I selected deep research. This is a fairly new feature that they added. It's unfreaking believable. So I selected that and then entered this prompt. And then before it went out and did all this work, it just wanted to confirm some things, which is very smart. Got it to make sure I find the best sub niches for you. Could you clarify a few things? Industry focus, monetization methods, blah, 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 blah. So I said, explore all industries. Um, Monetization is affiliate marketing using Pinterest ads. Geo is US only. CPC is I'm only interested. Wait a second. I guess I did that wrong. I said I'm only interested in Pinterest. Personally, dirt cheap is 10 cents per click or less. So it said, great, I'll research top 25, blah, blah, the same thing I said. I'll get back to you with a detailed report once I gather the data. Research completed in 27 minutes. 27 minutes. This is what it spit out. 20,934 words. And inside of that same 20,000 word thing, inside that same like report, it inserted a table where it basically took all of the big specific metrics or data points for each of these 25 niches, which I can give you guys a copy of this too if you didn't take that class, but and it organized it into a table. So like you at a glance, I can quickly see all of the sub niches, why it's low competition, where that source was that said it was low competition, estimated CPC, Pinterest CPC, the audience who to target, you need like interest, gender, and age, and then potential for affiliate, like what products would they be interested in. It did all of that from this prompt, this prompt, and clicking deep research. 27 minutes and 20, I went out and looked at 21 sources, came back and spit out a 20,000 word report basically that I could easily sell for $7 without a doubt. Along with a spreadsheet to, keep track of it all in a nice, neat, organized way without having to look through every single niche and compare them. So that was unreal to me. And that's the deep research thing I think is you have to have the paid plan, I think, $20 a month. But man, is that worth it if you if you want to like that right there that is a demonstration of an info product for you to create. It is a totally a 180 from the old school, typical, boring old report ebook on a generic topic or a big broad niche. It's a very specific, tangible list of data that's worth a lot of money to people if they use it correctly, and will save them a ton of time researching on their own and finding all that info. Well worth $7. I mean, that is a like a friggin' home run of a offer right there.